Okay guys, saw Gypsy back. Just hit a 6 out of 7 on my M card. I want to show. Here's the M card. One away, one away. It's on the turtle. One away from 7,000 quotas. Okay, let's show all cards. Let's go. These buttons do not work very well. Well, I'm kind of trying to see which one will hit. Do one more and then we'll refresh the bet. Camera shy. Let's go. 20 card. And this is the fastest speed, guys. There we go, 5 out of 7. Money back. What we can do. Nothing. Do one more and then refresh that bet. Unless we get a little something. Do one more. Yeah, he's good. Come on. At least we can get money back on it. Come on, wake up, wake up. Jackie's in the house. Gotta show that peeps are a nice win. Come on, we can do it. Come on, don't get cold. We can show one. Just show one. I usually refresh it, but it just starts where I feel like it just doesn't want to hit. And then I kind of feel like the algorithm is going, but then sometimes he's just playing with me on it too. There we go. Of course, they got to do some construction right around here. I don't know what they're doing, tearing up that house or what. Ooh, look at that. 3 of them. Okay, let's show. Okay, I know what they are. So A, let me see here. A is that one. 2 away. Where was the other one? R and S. Here's R. And here was S. So, 2 away on all those, but we got our kind of got a few quarters back. go. Come on, can we do it? Come on. Keep us going. You're keeping us floating. Come on, let's hear some dancing music. That's what we really like here. Oh, he's getting cold. He needs a wake-up call. Okay, one more, and then I'm gonna wake her up. Let's see what we gotta do. Yeah. He's gone to sleep. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Let's see. Wish these buttons would work. Okay. Come on, mister. Oh. No dead spins. Oh. I'm refreshing him. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Come on. Come on. Only one good spin out of them all. And the buttons. Okay, let's get this. See if that helps a little bit. Okay. Got a little bit. Great. We just love all this noise here. Got a little action in the background. Does that mean we're gonna hit something because of it? You know, this has to happen during my video, right? Of all things. Oh my God. Are we moving? No. Okay guys, I'm doing my last 15 spots. And I guess some fire alarm, because I know the construction person probably hit it. I am closing out, and I'll be back.